Another shader in a surface category is Sunburst. Something like that. That I open it to better understanding that. Everywhere in Cinema 4D you see T means it has an animation. You can right click and see the animation. So with this gradient color, you can change the color. For example, it's hot inside. We can make it a little blue or any color that you want. You can create animated again. R frequency, you can change the, I think I have to activate this. For example, to 5, you can see you can change the round at the border. A frequency 5. Now you can change the frequency in this direction. T frequency is for changing the speed of the animation of that, more or less. Turbulence, more turbulence. You can see more noisy at the edges and the outside. Radius, you can increase or decrease or radius of your sun, or the height of the this rays. It has an animation you can use in your works. That's it. It's very easy.